Hi everyone, this is just a quick checkup video about my dragon fruits that I planted a little while ago. If you remember from my previous video as to how to plant dragon fruit from seed, and I'm just going to run my knife along it and just sort of tap these seeds onto the surface of the soil. I did these guys on July 7th. It is currently August 29th. And these guys are looking great. I've been keeping them under a little grow light, and they have just been so happy. You can see they've started to form the cactus part of their growth. So this is a total of 53 days after putting the seeds on the soil, so you guys have some sort of time frame to understand when you're growing dragon fruit for yourself. Now these are something really cool. These are seeds from a yellow dragon fruit that I found in the market just down the street in Toronto. So I found this yellow dragon fruit. I cut it open. I followed the same instructions that I taught you in my How to Grow Dragon Fruit video. This is just a couple days after July 7th, probably around July 10th. And these guys have just been growing like crazy. You can see they're pretty tall, and these are awesome yellow dragon fruit plants. Way harder to find. And you can see this one actually has a double. Okay guys, so thank you so much for checking in on my little dragon fruit plants. They're doing awesome. I'll make another video when they're a little bit bigger, and I will keep a timeline for you guys. Have a good one.